Right now, someone could be tracking you. Every click, every website, every move. They see it all. And if you're using Kali Linux without the right protections, you're a sitting duck. But today, we change that. In this video, I'm going to show you 2 powerful ways to hide your identity online using Kali Linux. We'll set up a proxy chain and an Auto Tor IP Changer to make your digital footprints disappear. But stay till the end, because I'll reveal a crucial mistake that most beginners make and how to avoid it. Don't be this guy. Let's dive in. Alright, first up, ProxyChains. This method will route your traffic through multiple proxies, making it incredibly hard to track your real IP address. Follow these steps carefully. Step 1. Open your terminal and type sudo apt install ProxyChains, Y. Press Enter. Boom. First step done. Now, let's configure it. Step, type. Locate ProxyChains. Copy the first result, then type sudo mousepad. Don't worry if this looks complicated. Just stick with me. Step 3. Add hashtag in front of strict_chain and remove hashtag in front of dynamic_chained. Step 4. Scroll down to line 162 and add SOX5. Save the file and now let's test it. Step 5. Start Tor. Sudo systemtool start Tor. Step 6. Use Firefox with ProxyChains. ProxyChains Firefox www.google.com. Now, let's check if it worked. Go to Google, search My IP, and refresh the page. If your IP has changed, congratulations, you just became a ghost online. Now, what if you could automate this and change your IP address constantly? Enter Auto Tor IP Changer. This tool is a game changer. Here's how you set it up. Step 1. Open your browser and search for Auto Tor IP Changer. Copy the GitHub link. Step 2. In your terminal, type git clone, paste URL, cd auto_changer. Step 3. Install it. Python 3 install.py. And now, the magic begins. Step 4. Run the tool. UT. Now you'll see your auto-changing IP and port. Insane, right? Step 5. Configure your browser. Go to Browser Settings. Find Network Settings. Tap on Manual Proxy Configuration. Enter the SOX IP and port displayed in your terminal. Finally, search My IP in Google. Boom. Your IP will keep changing. This makes you much harder to track. Now, you're hidden, but you're not untouchable. You see, even with these methods, there's a huge vulnerability that hackers exploit to unmask you. If you don't fix this, you might as well be handing over your real IP on a silver platter. Want to know what it is? Watch my next video on system hacking where I'll show you how hackers break through these defenses and how you can stop them. Click here before it's too late.